Welcome back to SRC.
It's Science Week.
And today we are reading Iggy, Peck, Architect by Andrea Beatty.
And we'll be doing a cool walking water experiment.
Today we are reading Iggy, Peck, Architect by Andrea Beatty and illustrated by David Roberts. And this book is published by Abram Books for Young Readers.
If you'd like to listen to Iggy, Peck, Architect, click on the link in the description below.
Today we'll be doing a cool walking water experiment. Let's jump in.
For walking water, you will need as many cups as colors you are doing. You will need a jug of water, some paper towel, and food coloring. And then we use toothpicks to stir. You're going to want to start by separating your cups not too far apart, and then adding water to each cup. Next, add some food coloring to each cup. You want to make sure you're adding quite a bit of dye so that the water is saturated. Using paper towel, you're going to want to fold your paper towel up into a little rope and then insert it into one color at one end and another color at the other end. Then just watch the colors bleed onto the paper towel and eventually meet in the middle. Do this between each of your different cups. Now just wait to watch your colors all bleed together. It does take a while, so be patient. Maybe do something else and come back, and then at the end it'll look really, really cool. This is what ours look like after about an hour.
Hope you guys have fun experimenting. Now go try it home.
Thanks for tuning in.